All right, so first of all, you're gonna need a jacket you wanna use. Like I said in the title, this is for puffer jackets, so nylon type of material. Method one is gonna be vinyl stickers, but to make this work, you're gonna need like some really heavy duty type of stickers, or maybe double-sided tape on the back to get them to really stay on there. That way they're not coming off, trust me. So the letters are on here. The whole page is white and the letters are white, so you can't really see it too clearly, but I'm kind of showing you here. Naturally, you're gonna have to look at the positioning you want. I'm thinking to do it on the back here. I might try some on the front or the arm over here. So get the positioning of where you want your letters to go. And then it's self-explanatory, just stick those down. Basically, you can use the lines in a jacket as like a guide to keep the letters in a straight line. Also, as you go along, you can use like a card or a ruler just to flatten out the letters to make them stick better. This really does help a lot. So the rest of this, I'm pretty much just going to speed up just to show you guys how it would look if you do choose to use this method of vinyl stickers. Okay, cool. So that's method one. I'd rate that like a 5 or 6 out of 10. I mean, it does work, but I'd say it's more of a temporary solution. Say you just wanted to put letters on your jacket for one day, you can do that. I guess the good thing is you can take them off and change the letters. So that's method one right there. Method two, Defo Velcro letters. I'm not gonna lie, I did search online to see if I could find anyone who sold these. I'm sure I've seen them before, but weirdly enough, I couldn't find anything. So yeah, that would be method two. I haven't seen those on the internet. If you have, comment them below. If not, maybe I'm gonna invent Velcro capital letters that can just go on anything. And same for the vinyl stickers. Like I might just make some vinyl stickers that are almost like glue, that when you stick them on, they just like stay. They're not gonna come off. So yeah, let me know if that's a good idea. If I should make something like this. I'm sure I've seen them before. That's the maddest thing. But yeah, let me know if that's a good idea. Maybe I'm actually going to make something like that you guys could buy, maybe sell it on Etsy or something like that. So yeah, that would be method two. Method three, we're going to use these iron-on / sew-on patches. Obviously, we're not going to iron them because that would melt this material. So this is what they look like. They're just like embroidered, like the North Face logo on top of some material. So we're just gonna sew around the letter. So again, look for your positioning. Like I said, mainly I wanted it on the back, but I'm also gonna try to see how it looks on the front as well. You ain't messing with the... I look like I just hit the lip. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you think look better, the back or the front? So next you're gonna need a ruler. You just wanna line up the bottom of that with the line on the jacket. And then you're gonna need masking tape. So you're gonna position this masking tape on top of basically the ruler edge. And then that's what we're gonna use as our guideline all the way across the jacket to keep the letters in position basically. Next, you're gonna need double-sided tape just to hold these letters in position. So you wanna put it on like this, peel it, fold it over, and then that just adds more durability basically. You can do that on the top half of the letter as well. To be honest, once you put the double-sided tape on, it really is on there, like even without sewing it. So it defo helps to keep the letters on. But like I said, once you sew them, they're not coming off. So I pretty much did that for each individual letter. You don't need to do that. The tape works so well that you can just do the whole word, stick the whole word down, and then sew the word and then do the next and so on.
Hey, they think I'm out here to play. I tell them I'm here to stay. Look how I slay. Hey, moi je suis béni de ma tête jusqu'aux orteils. Ce sont des clowns comme le cercle du soleil. Je suis avec des goûts jusqu'au lever du soleil. Hey, I'm finessing them like Olay. You finessing me, there's no way. Hey, Mets je dois contour le bloc. Tell them that I'll never stop. In case you ain't clocked, I'm the black sheep of the flock. I bring the heat like a Glock. Hey, Bev gang OG familiar. Kings of the south for the east. Yes. You can find us in favelas. Right in the belly of the beast.
So I actually only sewed the top and bottom of each letter because it was on there pretty solid already. You don't need to go around the whole thing. You can if you want to, but I feel like just doing the top and bottom works, and that way you're not like trapping in the feathers inside the jacket as well. They have more space to move around.
Last night was a movie, was a flick. You ain't messing with the
So yeah, in the end, this came out like hard. Let me know what you guys thought of how it looks. This is personally my favorite method out of the three. The only thing is you can't change the words, but that's not really a big deal for me. If you actually wanted to swap words out, you could use the Velcro method, but it's kind of the same. It would still be, you'd have to change letters and unsew it. So out of the three, this is probably my favorite method. All right, cool. So now that's done, you're just gonna need to cut out the extra thread on the inside of the jacket. And then lastly, you're gonna remove the tape, of course, and then this is what you have.